Hi, my name is Katerina. I'm going to tell you how CORKBRICK started. So me and my dad were traveling to Morocco, brainstorming ideas of what we could do with our 100 meters squared attic. We wanted something flexible enough to have a guest room when needed and just have an open space when not needed. And so we searched everywhere in the market and we couldn't find anything that would give us this flexibility of uses. And so we created CORKBRICK. So what is CORKBRICK? CORKBRICK is about 7 different blocks that can give you a lot of configurations in the same space. You can mount and dismount, you can do it yourself, you can do it with your children, you can do it with your grandparents.
I launched as a challenge to my daughter, how can we create something like Lego? And the only thing that I said, well, probably you need to use cork. Why? Because cork is a product of nature with characteristics that you cannot copy. And in our case, perfect characteristics because we wanted something light, sound and temperature insulator, and easy for people to create. So with only 7 pieces, each piece is 20 centimeters, less than 1 kilo, everyone can mount and dismount. You don't need tools, you don't need screws, you don't need glues, nothing. And you can build whatever you like in minutes. And if you don't use it anymore, you can transform it in something else.
As an architect, I work with a lot of abandoned buildings. And the lack of flexibility of these is one of the main reasons why these buildings didn't have any more use. And so I believe this was a really good design opportunity for CORKBRICK. With CORKBRICK, we can configure its space thinking about the present use, without compromising the future use. So this crazy idea started just with me and my dad. Nowadays, we are more than 200 involved in more than 25 countries. We believe that through people we can grow. Each person has their own contribute and their own skill. That's why our goal is to reach 500 people. Join us and let's grow a sustainable and successful project.